Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you the unboxing of CASIO EDIFICE model number ERA-600-2AVUDF. I have purchased it from CASIO's own online shop, the CASIO India shop. So let's begin with the unboxing of the and first look of this very watch. I am opening it first time. It is a chronograph watch. Cash invoice has been supplied with the watch with a seal and stamp with the authorized signature. It is priced at 10,396 with a discount of 15%. Let's have the first look. Now this is in good sealed condition. There is also an invoice inside the box. So I get two invoices, one outside the box and another is inside the box. Please keep it set aside and open this box. This is China made and this is CASIO. The MRP is 12,995 and the model is ERA-600-2AVUDF, imported by CASIO India Private Limited. There is barcode and also a QR code. Let's have a look. Oh, the warranty card is sealed. It is a great for me to have a warranty. This is warranty terms and conditions. Register. This is a card to register the product and check the authenticity of the product, and online warranty registration. This is also good for the watch. This is a guideline in different languages. This is warranty card. Let's see the watch. This is in very much good box. This is model serial number tag supplied inside this box. This is the box, beautiful box. Let's open the watch. And this is in very good packaging. edifice. It is super illuminator, thermometer, 100 second stopwatch, wall time, countdown timer, 5 alarms, 100 meter water resistance, stainless steel case. Let's have a first look and remove the see. There is a hologram, you can see on the back. It has been running. This is super illumination. It can be seen in dark. This is super illuminator. Very good looking. There is alarm. This is alarm setting. Super illuminator. So, thank you for watching my video. Thank you. If you like my video, please like it, share it, and comment in the link. Thank you. Bye.